UBTI is a Microsoft Gold certified partner with more than a decade global experience in various industries. UBTI has been a pioneer in Power Platform, delivering many business solutions. UBTI's TFS Solution is a ready-made plug-and-play project management tool crafted to bring complete 360-degree analysis on all projects managed by the organization. The analytical solution enables management teams to quickly find and bring the areas of performance lagging, quality, and maintenance backlog into light. Let's see the demo. The solution consists of project tracking reports, project quality reports, issue and bug analysis reports, and resource capacity reports. Let's see project tracking report. The project tracking report provides a project summary with estimated hours, completed hours, and remaining hours across the various projects. We will be also able to track the hours across the various areas and iteration, status, priority, and assigned to. Then we have the quality report. Here, project-wise quality can be tracked and we can see the effort spent for issues and bugs. We can also see area-wise effort spent for issues and bugs. So that way we can improve our performance in those areas. Next we have the issue and bug analysis reports. This report enables the managers to track the total active bugs and issues. The report also provides details of long-standing issues. Here you can see the issues which is open for more than 90 days, and all the details can be tracked below. Then we have the capacity reports. This report enables the managers to track the resource utilization across projects, across area and iteration. This will enable the managers to allocate the resources in the more appropriate projects in a better way. The solution empowers to understand the project performance, quality, issues, bugs, and resource capacity. Get this one-touch solution for your complete project management and maintenance. UB Technology Innovations. Make insightful decisions and drive results at your fingertips. Visit us at www.ubti.inc.com.